Today I'll be unboxing the Pluto's Christmas Tree Mystery Pins. These were released in October of 2025 and they are available in the parks for $34.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. So this is a 10-pin collection and the pin designs feature scenes from the 1952 animated film titled Pluto's Christmas Tree. It is on Disney Plus and it's only 7 minutes long, and I just watched it and it was really good. I remember a lot of the scenes from when I was a kid, especially the scene when Pluto comes out to help Mickey decorate the tree and he has ornaments and the star on top of his tail as he walks over to Mickey. So I do remember some things, so definitely check it out. It's good to watch. And the pin designs we can get are Chip with a candy cane, Pluto with Dale, Mickey with Chip and Dale in his hands, Pluto with the Christmas tree, Dale looking at his reflection in an ornament, Chip and Dale decorating a tree, Dale dressed as a Santa candle, Mickey with presents, Dale laughing while he's sitting in the tree, and then Mickey with Chip and Dale up in the tree. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 12 pins total. I would like to complete this whole collection, but I think the ones that I want the most are the ones where Mickey is holding Chip and Dale in his hands. I think that one's pretty cool. And I also like the one with Dale looking at his reflection in the ornament. I remember that being a funny scene in the film. So let's just get right to it here. I do have, if you noticed, Stitch as an ornament over here. So it's the same design as the Merry Stitchmas ornament pin design. So I got him a few days ago. So I have him just right down here to kind of help out Mickey and Jack Skellington. So we'll see if he brings a little more luck. I only have room for 2 duplicates here with 12 pins. So let's see what we get in pin 1. All right, well, they look like they are a gold tone finish, and I'm looking at the back of the ornament with something sticking out on the side, and this one is Chip with the candy cane. These are really good size too. These are nice. So we have Chip, and he is holding a candy cane, and he's in the tree, and then the pin itself is shaped like an ornament. Very cool. And since I did just watch the movie, I remember the scenes. It's kind of cool. Be nice if they made more pins like that off of these old animated films. All right, and pin 2 is Pluto with the Christmas tree. Looks like he's kind of at the top of a tree because it's mostly like blue sky behind him. But yep, Pluto there with his red collar. So we have Chip and Pluto. See what we get in box 2. Really not much to feel these ones through the bags because they're all going to feel like an ornament. And this one is, we have Dale looking at himself in the ornament and his face is all stretched out. That is awesome. I like that one. And that one has a green background. Very cool. All right, and then the next one, what do we get? Oh, well, from the back, I don't know if you can see the back here, I can see Mickey's ears sticking out the sides. So this one might be where he's carrying the presents. Oh no, it's going the other way. So this is the one where he's carrying Chip and Dale. Nice. So I got both of the ones I wanted. So we have Mickey and he's wearing a blue shirt, and then he has Chip and Dale in his hands. Very cool. I remember that scene too. Well, I would hope so since I just watched it. All right, so we have 4 out of the 10. Can we get to halfway with this one? I'm thinking so because I do see some ears and something sticking off the other side, so it's different than the last one. And this one is Mickey with Chip and Dale up in the tree. He has some ornaments he's going to hang up there, and then they're popping out of the tree. Very cool. Right, we made it halfway. Let's see if we can keep going here. This one, there's not much going on. So this one, well, I don't think we have this one. Let's see. We don't. This is Dale as the Santa candle. This was also a funny scene in the film where Dale, well, I'm not going to tell you, spoilers, we can't spoil a 1952 film, you got to watch it. So we do have Dale in a Santa beard and a Santa hat. And then of course he's next to what was Santa, but he took the beard and hat from him. All right, we have 6 out of the 10. Nice, so we only have 4 more to go. It's always good. Be great if we can get it done, or at least 2 more to go would be better. All right, looking at the back of this one also looks new, maybe? It is not, though. This is another Dale looking at himself in the ornament. So we have another one of those, and this one came with the one with Mickey and Chip and Dale. This doesn't feel like that. I don't feel Mickey ears through this bag. So let's see the back. Nope, no Mickey ears, but it does look familiar. I don't know which one it looks like though, but hey, it's not, it's a new one. We have Dale laughing in the tree. Looks like he's leaning up against an ornament and he's just laughing. And I know why he's laughing. Let's see, what do we have? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of the 10. Only 3 more to go. Let's do this. All right, let's see what we get here. And this one, looking at the back, it's getting hard to tell. This one has 2 things sticking out. And it is... oh, we don't have this one. It is Chip and Dale decorating a Christmas tree. So they have some garland going around the tree, and then Dale or Chip is putting ornaments up on the tree. It looks like we have some snow on the ground too. All right, so that makes 8 out of the 10. Nice. So even if we only get this far, it's only 2 to find, which is nice. All right, this one from the back has 1 thing sticking out the side. I don't know. Oh, it's another Pluto with the Christmas tree. So it's another one, our second pin that we got. So Pluto, blue background, and blue background, not background, and the little Christmas tree there. So we're down to our last box, and we have 2 more to go. Can these 2 be the ones I need? Let's find out. We have big Mickey ears. Oh, I think this is a repeat. It is. It's another Mickey holding Chip and Dale. So we got another one of those, which came with, what did that come with? Oh, that came with another Chip looking at himself, or Dale looking at himself in an ornament. Well, that is not what this is. This looks like it has a hole drilled through it. It does. I'm looking right through it at the light. Well, now you guys can see what it is. So this is definitely different. And this one is Pluto with Dale up in the tree. Oh, now I actually see it. I couldn't tell from the thing. This one actually has Dale is unscrewing light bulbs and stuff. And then Pluto sees him up there. And he doesn't like the fact that Dale is in his tree. So that is a new one. And then the little hole that I saw is actually right by Pluto's ear. So that is the 9th one, right? So we got 9 out of the 10. That is awesome. What are we missing? Oh, Mickey with the presents is the only one I'm missing. So, hey, gotta love that, especially with a holiday limited release. So I only have to go out and find 1 to complete this collection. So those were the Pluto's Christmas Tree Mystery Pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite is the one where Mickey is going up to the tree with the ornaments and then Chip and Dale are poking out of the tree up top. I like that one because you can see Chip and Dale's faces and then Mickey's like, whoa, chipmunks in the tree. So that is my favorite one here. So this was a great unboxing for me, getting 9 out of the 10. So I'm only missing 1 pin, and the pin I'm missing is the one where Mickey is carrying the presents. So that's the only one I need to find to complete this collection. And the good news is I have 2 more of these boxes on the way, and I will unbox those on Instagram, and I'll probably post that video the day after I post this one. So we'll see if I can get the one with the presents on out of those 2 boxes. So I want to thank Connie at Enchanted Pins and More for picking these 6 boxes up for me from Disneyland. She picked some good ones because this was great. 9 out of 10, or maybe it wasn't Connie. Maybe it was Stitch over here. Stitch, Ornament Stitch. Maybe he brought the luck because this is his first unboxing over here with me. So maybe he brought the luck. This little guy's awesome. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.